Italy, the land of romance, art, and mouth-watering cuisine, has long been a dream destination for travelers around the world. From the enchanting canals of Venice to the ancient ruins of Rome, and the picturesque coastlines of the Amalfi Coast, Italy offers a diverse array of experiences that captivate the senses. In this comprehensive travel guide, we will take you on a virtual journey through Italy, highlighting its rich cultural heritage, breathtaking landscapes, iconic landmarks, and hidden gems. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a solo adventure, Italy promises an unforgettable experience that will leave you longing to return time and time again. Discovering Italy's cultural treasures. Italy is a treasure trove of cultural landmarks and historical sites that bear witness to its rich past. The ancient city of Rome is a must-visit destination, where you can explore iconic attractions such as the Colosseum, the Roman Forum, and the Vatican City, home to St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel. Embark on a journey to the Renaissance era in Florence, where masterpieces like Michelangelo's David and Botticelli's Birth of Venus await in the Uffizi Gallery. Venice, with its romantic canals and palaces, provides a unique experience that transports you to a bygone era. Don't miss the opportunity to witness the majestic ruins of Pompeii, frozen in time by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD. Natural beauty and coastal charms. Italy's natural beauty is as captivating as its cultural heritage. The Amalfi Coast, with its dramatic cliffs, colorful villages, and azure waters, is a paradise for nature enthusiasts and beach lovers. Sardinia, the second largest island in the Mediterranean, boasts stunning beaches, crystal-clear waters, and rugged landscapes that invite exploration. For those seeking adventure, the Dolomites in northern Italy offer breathtaking vistas, world-class skiing, and hiking trails that lead to awe-inspiring mountain peaks. Tuscany's rolling hills, vineyards, and picturesque countryside provide a serene escape from the bustling cities. Gastronomic delights. No visit to Italy is complete without indulging in its delectable cuisine. Each region in Italy has its own culinary specialties and traditions. In Naples, savor the authentic taste of pizza napoletana, made with fresh ingredients and baked in wood-fired ovens. Bologna, known as the gastronomic capital of Italy, tempts food lovers with its rich ragu and handmade tortellini. The Tuscan region offers a feast for the senses with its succulent steaks, hearty soups, and world-renowned wines. Pair your meals with a glass of Chianti or Brunello di Montalcino for a truly unforgettable dining experience. Practical travel tips. Before embarking on your Italian adventure, it's essential to be prepared. Start by ensuring you have a valid passport and check the visa requirements for your country of residence. The best time to visit Italy is during spring, April to June, and autumn, September to October, when the weather is mild and the tourist crowds are thinner. English is widely spoken in major cities and tourist areas, but learning a few basic Italian phrases will enhance your travel experience. Italy has an efficient and extensive transportation network, including trains, buses, and domestic flights, making it easy to explore different regions. Consider purchasing a regional or national rail pass for convenient travel. It's also important to be mindful of local customs and etiquette, such as dressing modestly when visiting religious sites and greeting people with a handshake or a kiss on the cheek. When it comes to accommodation, Italy offers a range of options to suit every budget and preference. From luxury hotels in the heart of major cities to cozy bed and breakfasts tucked away in charming towns, you'll find accommodations that cater to your needs. It's advisable to book in advance, especially during peak travel seasons, to secure the best deals and availability. Safety is always a priority while traveling, and Italy is generally a safe country for tourists. However, it's essential to stay vigilant and take precautions to protect your belongings from pickpockets, especially in crowded tourist areas. Keep important documents, such as your passport and travel insurance, in a secure location and make copies in case of emergencies. As you explore Italy, immerse yourself in the local culture and traditions. Italians are known for their warmth and hospitality, so don't hesitate to interact with locals, try authentic dishes at family-run trattorias, and participate in local festivals and events. Engaging with the locals will not only enrich your travel experience but also create lasting memories. In terms of budgeting, Italy can be both affordable and expensive, depending on your choices. While dining at high-end restaurants and shopping at luxury boutiques can be pricey, there are plenty of budget-friendly alternatives available. Opt for street food vendors, local markets, and trattorias to experience delicious Italian cuisine without breaking the bank. Additionally, many museums and attractions offer discounted or free entry on certain days or for specific age groups, so be sure to check for these opportunities. Italy is a country of diverse landscapes and climates, so pack accordingly based on the regions you plan to visit. Bring comfortable walking shoes, as exploring cities like Rome and Florence often involves a lot of walking. Don't forget to pack sunscreen, a hat, and sunglasses for protection against the sun, especially during the summer months. A universal power adapter will also come in handy to charge your electronic devices. Italy is a captivating destination that offers a blend of history, art, natural beauty, and gastronomic delights. Whether you're strolling through the ancient ruins of Rome, cruising along the canals of Venice, or savoring authentic Italian cuisine, the country promises a truly memorable experience. By planning ahead, respecting local customs, and embracing the Italian way of life, you'll create unforgettable memories that will last a lifetime. So pack your bags, prepare your taste buds, and get ready to embark on a remarkable journey through the enchanting land of Italy.